My name is Dean Richards and I'm the Chief Executive for Age Connects Neath Talbot. We're an independent local charity and support people aged 50 plus living across the whole of Neath Talbot. In early March, we began to remodel lots of our services to prepare for what we expected to be an extremely challenging time for local older people. We drew on the experience from our staff team, and for those with no family, local friends or neighbourhood support networks in place, we devised a programme of support which would enable these older people to stay home, stay well and stay connected. And the type of services that we provided included a personal shopping service, prescription collection, telephone befriending, personal wellbeing checks, assistance with delivery of essential food items. And this was all running alongside our core information advice service, our welfare benefit service, and when guidelines allowed, also our foot care service. So over the past 6 months, we've helped over 450 new service users with weekly packages of support. And on top of that, we've also assisted hundreds more of our existing service users who would normally access our services through our community outreach hubs, our drop-in services. We were completing around 250 weekly shops for some of the most lonely, isolated and vulnerable older people, particularly those who were shielding. We've really been overwhelmed with those volunteers who have come forward to volunteer for Age Connects in Neath Talbot, and we've actually recruited over 130 new volunteers to our COVID-19 response team. This extra volunteer support really has enabled us to scale up our service provision, and as a relatively small charity, that's been absolutely paramount to us, just to be able to reach out and help as many older people as possible. Our COVID-19 response volunteer team have actually committed over 30,000 hours of support during the past 6 months. And to put that into context, in an average year, our whole volunteering team would provide around 10,000 hours support. So we're looking out for new volunteers to assist in our services. If you are interested in volunteering, you can contact us on our website, which is www.ageconnectsnpt.org.uk. We've got quite an active social media presence, so we've got Facebook and Twitter pages, or you can call our telephone helpline, which is 01639 617 333. If you want any more information about any of the services, just make contact in one of those methods.